Some of the class wey they give you for free, you dey take am for granted. When make I put my share, because e be like say this is why they talk. E be like say you dey somehow why they come. Some of the classes wey they give you for free, e be like say because say we dey wear shirt, they talk this one. Una know they crap. If for school, you go chemistry class, for example, inside chemistry class, they go tell you say the SI unit of mass na grams. Listen, oh, if you go enter physics class, they go tell you say the SI unit of that same mass na kilograms. You no go take what you learn for chemistry class, come tell physics people say na lie. Because chemistry people get their reason whether they use that one for chemistry class, physics people get their reason whether they use that for physics class. Same thing for mathematics. If you go mathematics, if they tell you say may you find the difference between 2 and 4, then they tell you say may you minus 2 from 4. That is 4 minus 2. But if you go in the other class, they're going to tell you say may you find the difference between 2 and 4, then they tell you say may you differentiate them. That is mathematics class and other classes. Product for mathematics class means times. I know why they give you this thing now. Product for agri class means farm produce, waiting come out of something. You dey hear me? Now, we get what they call geopolitics. We get what they call geography. For geographical class, we get 8 cardinal points where they correct for geographical class. We get north, we get east, we get south, and we get west. We get the one where they between north and east, we call them northeast. The one where they between south and east, we call them southeast. The one where they between west and south, we call them southwest. Same thing with northeast. Now, if we use this ideology when we learn for geographical class, states where they for north, now states like Kaduna them, now then they for north. States where they for northeast, now states like Sokoto them, Kebbi them. But the ones where they for west, now state like Niger State, all those ones there for western part of Nigeria. If you stand for Abuja as the center, that is for geography class. States where they for southwest. Now, state like Lagos State or your state, those ones they were situated for geography class. Those were there for south, Abia them there for south, River State them there for south, Anambra them there for south, Cross River them there for south, for Nigeria. If you go the ones were there for east, bros, states were there for east now like Yola them, then they east. Taraba them, they places like southeast. If you there for geography class, but if you come for geopolitical class, bros, if you come for geopolitical class, you don't make me now push it for this kind of class. For geopolitical class, now you go hear something like North Central. For geopolitical class, you know there for geography class. For geopolitical class, now you go hear something like South South. Now you go hear something like Middle East. For geopolitical class. So you know go contact what you love for geography class. One talk say because say you know here for geography class, say for geopolitical class, say you know they correct. And for geopolitical class, where we dey? States where they for southeast for geopolitical class. Now state like Anambra State for geopolitical class. River State there for south for geopolitical class. State where they for north central. State like all those all those ones like Abuja them there for north central. We're not there for geography class, but for geopolitical class. We there together now. So when you want to use the analogy of geographical class, use them where. If you want to use the analogy of geopolitical class, use them where. What is applicable for geography class? Nothing applicable for geopolitical class. Now geopolitics then call them. Now geopolitical zone they call them, not be geographical zone. When I don't understand this thing now, and the members in the push for this kind of afternoon they explain something. If I say this thing as school fees there inside, people no go take it for granted. So take it or leave it. Either we want to be geopolitically correct or we want to be geographically correct. You not fit there for the two classes, they serve one purpose. You understand? And as long as it is what they hear for Nigeria, they consign, no be geographical locations, now geopolitical locations. I'm not going to tell you. When I well done, put your own. And I take a lot of corrections, put your own, when I well done.